The Waterpik Water Flosser is the easy and most effective way to clean between teeth. Before using your Cordless Plus Water Flosser, you will need to charge the unit. Turn the power switch to off. Plug the charging cord into the unit and charge for 24 hours. After the unit is fully charged, fill the reservoir with warm water. Select a tip and click firmly into the handle. For first use, select the low pressure setting. Unlike when you brush your teeth, avoid looking in the mirror. To start water flossing, lean over the sink and place the tip in your mouth. Turn unit on. Partially close lips to prevent splashing and let water flow from your mouth into the sink. Keep the unit upright for continuous water flow. Aim the tip at the gum line. For best results, start with your back teeth. Move along the gum line, pausing briefly between teeth. Floss front and back side of teeth for 1 minute a day. To remove or change the tip, press the eject button on top of the unit. The Waterpik Water Flosser removes up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas and is up to 50% more effective than string floss. You can have healthier gums and brighter teeth with the Waterpik Water Flosser.